Hey, what's up guys? Today I have probably the most exciting unboxing on my channel ever. Let's get into it. So here we have a GAN bag. Seems to have something in it too. GAN Air SM. Wow, it's finally here. And the package is empty. So let's check out what's inside the GAN bags. Really high quality. So inside we have the humongous GAN pamphlet. Now let's get into the cube. I like the packaging already. So here we have a GAN's card. Feels like a real credit card. And here are the stuff. So here are the updated GES nuts. I'm gonna play around with these and find out which one suits me best or my turning style. But now let's get into the cube. Wow, I actually have 2 GAN pamphlets. Okay, is there any difference between these? I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to look at that. Here it is, so it's in really nice packaging. That'll be good for transporting the cube to places. Oh, there we go. So I can already tell these are gonna be really good shades. They look really bright and good for recognizing. So GAN is the cubing company that innovates the most. This cube is so light. It's like the lightest cube I have ever felt. And the honeycomb design, if you can see that. So let's just get into first turns. So as you can see, I'm overturning on it already because of the speed. Yeah, tensions are pretty loose. Have to mess around with that. But overall, I can really feel those magnets. Yeah. They're lighter than my GVS2M, but you can still notice them. What's the corner cutting? Yeah, that'll corner cut from anywhere. And reverse. Yeah. Yeah. I'm overshooting on the M moves. Let's just do a quick solve on this. Yeah. That was a really good solve. Overall, I think this cube is really good. If you're like me, you might not that much like it out of the box. But you can customize it with the GS nuts and the tension. Yeah, so overall, this is a really good puzzle. I would highly recommend this. It's really stable. It only locked up because of how loose it is. Otherwise, it was really good. Yeah, like that, you can see. Yeah, overall, really good cube. So here it is side to side with my GVS. And once you've played around with this thing, this one feels like the magnets are so tight. And you just can't solve on this anymore because, yeah. So this is probably going to be my new main. So that was it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I liked making it. Bye.